tonight?
Of course, it will be a tough battle, but I think that Lithuania is a better team on the paper, and I believe that start was not so good for us because it was a lot of worries. And now it will be okay. I talked with basketball players, with our team basketball coaches. They said it's okay. It's nothing special today. We are ready to play with Macedonia. It's okay.
What about yesterday's injustice towards Macedonia?
Yes, it's hard to say something because it was a mistake, really mistake, and it's a pity because we think that today Macedonia players, Macedonia fans, and maybe referees will be angry, and referees maybe a little bit, yesterday they made mistakes, so today maybe it can show on the court that some justice, with yesterday's match. So this is it.